Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. And today is Saturday, so we will read practice book. And we are doing naming words in that. As in my earlier videos, I have explained you what do you mean by naming words and what are special names, common names. So I think you all have understood also. And I gave homework to do worksheet 1 of your book. Now we will do worksheet 2. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of the pictures given below. Here the pictures are given below. You can see here some pictures are here and you have to fill the name of the pictures here in the puzzle. Some are down and across. You can see the downwards sign and across sign. So first of all we will do the down. First one is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Then third is cart. C-A-R-T. Fourth is wolf. W-O-L-F. Seventh is fish. F-I-S-H. Eighth is nail. N-A-I-L. Okay. Now come to across. Second is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Fifth is office. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Sixth is tiffin. T-I-F-F-I-N. Tiffin. And ninth is sailor. S-A-I-L-O-R. Sailor. So we have done this crossword puzzle. Okay. So you will also do it in your classwork copy. Many of you don't have the book, and so do it in classwork copy. CW copy. Underline the naming words which does not belong to the group. This is question number 3. Underline the naming words. Okay, what you have to underline? The naming words which does not belong to the group. This means that what? Odd one out. What you have to do? Odd one out. Which does not belong to the group. You have to underline that. A. Lion, deer, crab, apple, hen. So lion, deer, crab, hen are all the names of what? They are the names of birds and animals. But apple is a fruit. So apple is what? Here it does not belong to the group. So apple is underlined. Okay. B. Architect, engineer, toy, nurse, designer. Architect, engineer, nurse and designer are professions. Okay. And toy is what? A thing. Toy is a thing. Architect, engineer, nurse, designer are person. They are person. And toy is a thing. So what you will underline here? Toy. C. Ship, car, scooter, rickshaw, teacher. So ship, car, scooter, rickshaw are what? They are the names of the vehicles, and teacher is a person. So what you will underline here? Teacher. D. Friend, school, house, airport, library. So school, house, airport, library are the name of places. So what is different here? Friend. E. Father, mother, cat, uncle, aunt. So father, mother, uncle, aunt are the members of the family. They are relatives, but cat does not belong to this group. So you will underline cat. Cabbage, onion, tomato, brinjal, garden. Cabbage, onion, tomato and brinjal are the names of vegetables, and garden is a place. So what you will underline here? Garden. So we have done this also. I think you all have understood it, and this also you will do in your CW copy. Okay. Question number 4. Read the sentences given below and circle the naming words. Okay, what you have to do, you can underline also. Here circle is written, you have to put circle. Okay, there lived in a forest a camel and a jackal. So forest is what? A place. So you have to underline forest. Camel is the name of animal. So you will underline camel. Jackal, it is also an animal. So you will underline jackal. They were friends. Friends is also noun. Okay. Once they decided to go to a field of sugarcane across the river. Field is place and sugarcane is thing you can say, and river is also a place. So field, sugarcane and river is noun in this line. The jackal wanted to eat crabs in the river and the camel wanted to enjoy sugar canes in the field. So here again jackal is what? Noun. It is the name of an animal. Crab is also an animal. River is a place. Camel is an animal. Sugar cane is a thing and field is a place. So we have underlined this paragraph. Now come to B. Long ago, when there were no trains, people used to travel in carriages. So, what is here? Trains. Trains are the things, vehicles. People is also noun. Carriages are also noun. These carriages were drawn by horses. So, again carriages and horses. The travelers had to cross long distance and forests in these carriages only. So here travelers, long roads, forests and carriages are the noun. So you have understood the noun. What is noun? The name of person, place, animal, things are known as noun. Okay children, so you will do these in class 4 copy, and here are some homework for you. Okay, and homework you will do it in homework copy. So look at the pictures given below and make a list of the names of at least 10 things that you can find in it. Here is a picture given and you have to write at least 10 things that you find in the picture. So many things are here in the picture, like computer, fan, clock, painting, chair, carpet, bed, pillow, toys, comb, books, flower pot, flowers, table. So many are there. You can write by seeing the picture. Okay, this you have to do in homework copy. So for homework I have provided the PDF also to look there and do the homework. Here, read the sentences given below and circle the naming words. So, A and B we have done in the class. So, C and D is your homework. You have to encircle the naming words here. Okay, so try to do. If you will not be able to do, we will do it in the next class. Okay, children. So, thank you and have a nice day. Okay. So don't forget to do the homework because it will be checked when you will come to school. So do it positively, your homeworks. So again, thank you.